What is going on, everyone? George here, and today I want to test out 720p footage from my Canon EOS R, as well to share one super easy trick to make this resolution look better when you upload it to YouTube or any other social media. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Thank you very much guys for the support, you are really nice and you are my motivation to keep this YouTube game going. Let's start with some random 720p B-roll. 3, 2, 1 and... So we all know the specs of this camera, it's been out for quite some time. Great camera for photos, videos, YouTube in general. As a matter of fact, I'm filming this video right now on Canon EOS R. Canon EOS R, thank you. Thank you, you've been my baby for 2 years now. And I love you. The only thing that is lacking for me is having 120 FPS in full HD. That would be amazing. 120 frames per second is great for so many reasons. Sometimes I don't feel like bringing gimbal with me. It takes some extra space in my camera bag. It obviously adds more weight. The setup time is kind of bothering me when I'm on location and I want to make shot like super fast. When I set it up and I want to change lens, I'll need to make adjustments on gimbal and to calibrate it and to set it up. It can be a bit annoying. If you have 120 FPS, you can get smooth shots without even carrying a gimbal and you don't have to deal with any of those things I mentioned. Canon EOS R has an option to shoot in 120 FPS but in 720p, which honestly turned me off completely to even try to shoot in high frame rate mode. A few days ago I was randomly going through settings and I decided to give it a try. And guys, I didn't expect these results. The entire B-roll sequence was filmed in 720p but upscaled to 4K. Do you think it's usable in 2021? Yeah. The footage you saw wouldn't look so great if I didn't upscale it. Upscaling is a trick I use very often in my projects and I think you should use it too. Listen to me, you should use it. I know what I'm talking... No, I don't. But trust me. If you have some older cameras, for example cameras from from Rebel series, this trick will make your footage look crispier. The way to do upscaling is so easy. It sounds kinda complex, but it's really not. You record your footage in 720p, you put your 720p footage on your 4K timeline, you edit it, like do color grade, adjustments and all the stuff. All the sweet stuff, add some leather bars to make it look cinematic. You know what I'm talking about, you are a true filmmaker, and then you just hit share, export and export in 4K. Boom, you have upscaled your video. You just take the video you exported and upload it to YouTube in 4K. Let's get one thing out of the way. Your video won't look so good on YouTube as it looks on your computer. YouTube will compress it. But using this trick, YouTube won't compress it so much. YouTube allows more megabits per second in 4K uploads than 1080p uploads. It compresses 1080p footage more than 4K footage. Simply put, YouTube destroys your footage more in 1080p than 4K. Let's make the conclusion for this video. 2021 is amazing year to be a filmmaker. I feel like they are announcing cameras every month and every camera that comes out has a ton of new features. 4K, 6K, 8K, 12K, IBIS, 120 FPS, 240 FPS. A lot of new cameras, a lot of great options. But are all of those things crucial for creating meaningful content? I don't think so. As filmmakers, we often fall into a trap of constantly upgrading our gear and focusing on that, instead of focusing and researching new ways to tell stories and express ourselves through our gear we currently own and have. I'm not saying gear doesn't matter, gear matters, but it isn't crucial. That's the whole thing about it. For the end of this video, to summarize, 720p, is it usable? For me it's usable and I will use it in my projects. For my client work, I will probably rent some camera that shoots better resolution, but for YouTube and for my stuff I will stick with Canon EOS R and 120 FPS in 720p. For all of you who stayed till the end of this video, thank you so much, you are my biggest support. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!